Nagahan mo sa natin yung katawag-tawag ko.
Yun.
Wala ka dyan.
Ano yung katawag?
Ano mo daw, mabilo ka.
Uy, ito ba yung malaking ng palitan? Yung flag ng Israel.
Guys, kalma kayo.
Order mo na.
Kaway-kaway tayo. Eh, bilay po ba yan?
Sa video to.
Video ka na. Dito sa dalawang na to.
Para nasarap ka.
Nakita mo ba?
Isla, piniprint na namin sila.
Pinapress mo na.
Ano ba yun yung sa kanya?
Wow. Ay, sorry.
Thank you, thank you. Hello. Salud tayo.
And ganyan are marketing.
Okay. Pagkaganda po lang talaga taga mo lang.
Ay, kailangan mo. Sakto lang.
Hi, good morning. Doon din pareho sila.
Bye na, tayo ganyan.
Boss, dito tayo, boss. Opo. Alis peso.
Sorry,
Namin.
Sensya na.
Dito na kayo. Kaya.
Prepare namin.
Kamatis sa parang bukas.
Dito ka na, ano? Dito ka. Sige, general address na dyan.
Nainitan ba kayo?
Dito ka.
Hindi, malamig. Ay, good.
Ganyan natin.
How are you, sir?
Good. How are you doing? How was the way here?
Just basic. Nagpunta ba kayo lot sa
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
10 hectares?
Ah,
Buildable area.
yeah.
On top of our existing buildings for our senior citizens, lady quarters, and boys and girls under our care.
The land there looks pretty good. We had some thoughts about what can be done.
How many hectares is this?
Here we have a total of the whole area is 25.
Kaya habang yung
Now,
boys lang.
we developed half of the area now. We have 3.5 hectares of total covered area. And now, as we finish, we start with the expansion. It will be total of 7 hectares covered area.
Pwede
With
makikita.
all the facilities.
Patapat nila. Malamig. Nabasa kasi ako ng ulan kahapon. Kaya nilalagyan ako. May sinap. Yung
Mas madaling araw.
Today we will the motorcade sa Masaya, sa Chinese New Year. Grabe, first time na we listen, sabi ng FFCC. So about 10 hectares is developed. How many houses?
How many houses we have?
Greenhouses.
Greenhouses.
We have 8 greenhouses right now, and we're pushing towards 16 in total. Out of the 8, one is a nursery, so actually selling production, and 2 out of the 8 are NFT, hydroponic systems.
And the other is through soil.
Grow bags, the
soil
type soil.
media.
Grow bags.
Yeah, soil media. So just the background of what you're going to see here is in the end we are bringing out agricultural produce and products, but the facility is a totally industrial style like a factory. It's operating like a factory. You see the technologies of the irrigation, the climate control, all the methods what we're following here.
This is now fully operational based on build area.
Not yet.
I mean,
3.5.
what you have built already is fully operational.
What we have built is fully operational.
How many tonnage per
We are
year?
converting now some of it to more NFT, more of the NFT, because the demand is big, so we are doing that. The total tonnage a year we have.
Across.
Approx. We are doing right now 30 per month, and with the expansion we have 80 per month.
So
Okay.
360,000 tons
350
of fruits and vegetables.
Yeah, fruits and vegetables, and then the different segments: cherry tomatoes, melons, each one with its own segment. Capsicum, 120 tons per year. Lettuce, the interesting
Can we
thing.
eat this?
Yes,
So for you,
Kamatis.
I'd like you to test
Yeah, your favorite melon.
Premium Japanese man.
so all of the produce here is produced local. These are our products. We're very proud of them.
Sarap talaga.
Very sweet. Very sweet. Not that dry and More in the Philippines, only usually like in areas like Tagaytay or even in Baguio, they cannot grow the night.
Cuchillo.
Tiniwan niyo na. Masarap ba?
This is the chocolate cherry tomato.
Chocolate. Tawag niya.
The cherry tomatoes produce about 80 tons per year. Capsicum 120 tons per year. Because we do 2 cycles. Melons 120 tons per year.
This mayo might be one of the toughest places in the Philippines.
Because it's flat land.
But land is very
Especially in
hot.
summer.
We have days here that we're reaching 46 degrees. The temperature at night is not going much down. There is not so much wind.
So much challenging in Israel because it's desert. But they did it there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
but
not
it's cold
less,
at night.
not less hardy.
Here, no,
Yeah.
even at night.
The humidity,
Humid.
the humidity is very challenging. So we're using a lot of techniques and methods that are even not used in Israel because it's
Tropical weather.
tropical weather is requiring some more.
Tropical weather is always very challenging because of temperature, humidity, disease pressure. It's and especially Bulacan, where you don't have the cooler nights like in Baguio and in Cavite and other places. But you use technology. You use fans, you use humid walls. You will see everything later. And you need to.
Sorry I hope you don't mind me.
No.
I have a long line.
Everything is from the farm.
Tiniya pata tayo.
Everything is from the farm, and you can see it in supermarkets. You can see it in restaurants.
And just around marketplace, shop wise, Robinson. juice place, heyday, lot of the retail clients. Working with most big hotels in Manila, restaurants chains like White Flower,
Hotels.
Bocada. So
The
they're
demand is endless. We cannot, we're aiming to put more facilities and more farms to be able to supply more of the market.
Yeah, if you can build in Manila, you're close to 0 mile.
Yeah. There's a bigger.
One big point about the technologies and the facilities is the consistency. Typhoon season here makes a lot
How
of
was it to
fluctuation.
the housing during typhoon?
Not a second.
resilience.
Yeah, it's actually can stand. We designed up to 120 hours. You know that sometimes you get more than this. And when we are ready for the food, we have we have some things that we are preparing the site for the typhoon in order to. There is a super typhoon comes, so we can actually put all the all the plastic, and then we might lose the product. The facility will be safe.
Methodology, within 3 hours all the farm is folded, so then you can build it up in about half a day again, so you can start really fast and cycle after
Anyway,
a super
also
typhoon.
the advantage that the cycles are quicker, so you don't lose much time of your crop. Look at the thickness. It's not no worries.
Pinakain eh. Sa salad. Sa salad.
Masarap yun sa pizza.
Sabi mo yung trending sa TikTok na nilalagay.
Alam mo ba nakokontrol pa nila yung kung gusto mong matamis? NFT. Sa NFT yun. Most likely. You can make it sweeter. For the
We have techniques, for example, for the melons. Again, there is and nutrition, and we'll show you in a while. But we have fully control the irrigation when we mix the nutrition of the plant very precisely. So each plant that you see here having a different treatment and different irrigation. And,
Ito itlog.
that's for the salad. Don't go it here.
Silipin natin. Pasilipin.
Okay na.
You can take a look.
Later na lang yung ano. Later na lang yung later.
Computers are monitoring everything live to balance here.
Here you have the different bags. So we are fully self-sustained. This is the reservoir. We have our own irrigation tank. Our last irrigation tank is we collect from the drain throughout the farm and then use it for the use. Actually, we're not using water to fertilizers. We're collecting gas.
Siguro, unahin muna natin sila.
You can see that this is airstream that pushes on the insect outside when you enter.
Sarado yan. Kayo masyadong pinigil. Distansya kayo. Mauna ka na, doon ka na sa punta.
The bomb cycle here is about 3 or 4 weeks. The key factor here is maintenance. So build a system where every week you have production capacity. That's the way that it works. Every week you push out change
Traditional. Turn around.
The cycle is
75 days.
75 days.
Double.
25 years. The other thing, first of all, is diseases. Because you're not protected to the ground, you don't have soil. You are covered, so you don't have problems of rain and flooding, etc. And there's more plants per square meter. We actually almost don't have production now. So.
Dayan, saan ang ano? Putok. At sa dito, sa dito. Para sa natin. Yan. Hindi ko na paano mag-sige. Sige. Sorry. Yordi, pwede yung photo of the sasalit na lang. Dito daw sa ano. Ano siya, mas bata pa. So, parang, ito kasi, parang, hindi natin sinatapos. Kasi 30 hours. So, parang ito, kalahati. Yung mga galing sa nursery na natin. Biglang natin.
Big advantage.
How many person operates this? From planting to harvest? It is 5,000 square meters.
7 people.
7.
And one superpower. Once the system is working, yes, the capex is high, but operation is not that conventional cost is
Mga ilang square meter? 2,000? Senior. Sir, yung malalakas ko pang senior. Pwede ba yun? Oo, kasi nasa Bulls Town na sila. Tapos ayun. 30 tons pa naman. 30 sila eh. 30 tons. 30 peso scale up po siya. Tama. Kamay na gumagalaw siya. Hindi na kailangan i-export eh. Kasi yung demand sa local. They cannot even go for the din pa sila.
Yung ganito kasi, compared sa soy, parang like 5% yun.
Kaya, ikaw naman ganun kung saan. Doon sa gitna, louder. Yan, yan. Yan sa gitna.
This thing about it, this system is
Japanese pizza yun.
Kaya, pwede na dyan sa kanan.
let's go where the maybe you have
The big ones.
יש לך פה, בצד ימין יש לך
Here, here
קוסקו.
na lang.
כן.
Ah, there.
Dito na sila na. Dito na kayo. Saan doon na lang? Asan na kayo?
Sinong
Officers, please. Dito sila naman. Dayan. Stop.
Mawalan dyan ito. Pangalawa naman ng gulay, mawalan dyan. Hindi po ang gulay na.
because you are working inside the closed facility, working clean, water is coming from here, collected, and taken back to clean. So water safety is meaning that you're not losing water outside, just at the plant. Not all the time adding our water.
Paunahin mo siya. Sige. Sige, tabi. Mamaya na. Dito. Ilok ba? Diba pa kanina? Dito tumabi ka yan. Boss! Dapat Kotok. Oh, God first. All right, Black. Thank you. bagyo, alog lang siya. Muscle memory, doing the same thing over and over again, you have the master routine. Harvest is something. Sometimes
Okay.
Go and pick what you need. So you don't have inventory. You don't have inventory.
so it goes back to the training. I've seen sorry. You have to close first. Is everybody?
Sa pinasok natin.
Ikaw mo lang sabi sa akin.
Opo, opo.
Kasi di ko alam.
Opo, bago tayo. Photo off na na. Ah, sige, sige. Opo, opo. Kasi para hindi pa madali.